Welcome to Pomilo TV.
Jax, Milo, and Finn, let the adventure begin. White shirts, shorts of blue, colorful shoes on all three too. Jump, slide, and wiggle, waggle.
In the park,
we love to dazzle. Look at the slide, so high and tall. Jax says,
I'm not scared at all.
He tilts his cap, he starts to glide down the twisty, turny slide.
Milo finds a tasty treat,
Something yummy, something sweet.
he holds his snack with little hands.
The happiest snake in all the lands. Jax, Milo, and Finn, let the adventure begin. White shirt, shorts of blue, colorful shoes on all three too. Milo jumps into the pool,
Splashing water, staying cool,
with his hands he paddles fast.
having such a giant blast.
Finn is jumping way up high.
Like he's reaching for the sky.
Boing, boing, his shoes go pop.
He never ever wants to stop.
Finn is climbing up the wall,
He has legs, he will not fall.
tapping shoes of red and green. The fastest snake you've ever seen. The sun is setting, the day is done.
Adventure parks are so much fun.
Jax, Milo, and Finn say bye,
With a happy wiggle
and a high five.